If you want to buy directly from China factory, welcome to EasyLine.com. Our company is a ready-made clothing factory. This company, Guangzhou Dingtai Clothing Company, was established in 2017 by a young and energetic team. We are a professional sportswear company integrating design, development, production, and sales. Our factory covers an area of more than 2,000 square meters, more than 100 workers, more than 60 PCs, high-speed knitting machines. Our monthly production capacity is 1 million PCs, with advanced production equipment and professional production management capabilities. Our products enjoy a high reputation among customers at home and abroad. Our main products include seamless fitness wear and cut and sewn yoga wear, such as yoga leggings, yoga bras, yoga tights, yoga shorts, tank tops, sports jackets, sports pants, and other fitness accessories. We also provide OEM/ODM service. Light customization is available, such as custom logo, custom paper hang tag, custom packing bag, custom label. Our aim is to provide high-quality products at reasonable prices. Our aim is to produce more comfortable sportswear and help our customers succeed. We provide EasyLine Trade Assurance Service. It can provide a strong guarantee for product delivery and quality and protect your payment. Guangzhou Dingtai, a better life begins with sports. Flexible customization, low MOQ, continue to provide customers with better products and services. Guangzhou Dingtai, a one-stop sporting goods supplier. Welcome more and more customers to visit our company, and every customer who comes by EasyLine.com with business discounts. EasyLine.com is always with you.